Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Looking for TMKB keyboard software? You're in the right place. I'll show you a step-by-step process to download and install TMKB keyboard software in this video. So, let's get started. First, go to the video's description and click on the link tagged with TMKB keyboard software download. And here you go. We landed on the TMKB keyboard instant download page. Now, scroll down the page and find the Download TMKB Keyboard Software section. In this section, you will see a table listing TMKB keyboard models with their software download links. Just make sure you're selecting the right version for your operating system to ensure everything works smoothly. Before we proceed with the download, a common concern is the authenticity of the files. To address this, simply hover your mouse over the download button. This will reveal the source of the file, typically displayed at the bottom of your browser window. Rest assured, these files are downloaded directly from TMKB's parent site, diariatech.com, ensuring their full legitimacy and security. Now, click on the label for the keyboard whose software you want to download. Since I have a TMKB T63 keyboard, I'll click on this button. It will start downloading the software. After the software is finished downloading, locate the file and follow the on-screen instructions to install it on your PC. After following all the instructions, congratulations! You have successfully installed the software on your PC. Thank you for watching the video, and I will see you next time.